Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr at Kerr Financial Group, and today is Friday, June 14, 2024. It's Flag Day. But as we turn to the financial markets and we focus first on the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, which was no change and none was expected. But one of the things coming out of it was that now there only seems to be anticipated one rate cut in 2024. It's a huge change, the last few months with two, three and rate cuts in the calendar year. Now we're down to maybe just one. It looks like, and pricing in some in 2024. So one of the things, reactions I think is interesting is that interest rates in the Treasury market have gone lower since this decision. And you would think, kind of that the with interest rates staying higher, why would the rates go lower in the secondary market? But maybe that's pricing in slower economic growth, growth, but at a slower rate, and also that maybe inflation staying higher is going to be more of a headwind to the economy and to growth as well. So we'll see how that plays out. I think another thing is I've been reading about is that the elections in Europe, in France last Sunday, and some other European elections, that some of the established leaders are getting, not getting reelected and much opposition. And I don't know whether that's a dynamic that needs to be that'll flow into the financial markets in Europe. And of course, we have the election this year in the U.S., but something that I think bears to be watched. And then last thing, closing up, there's the news that the G7 is going to take the interest on the frozen Russian assets. And there's a lot of complications. I don't really want to go into the detail, but I do think that could have an impact on the U.S. fixed income bond market as well as the global financial markets. As it's kind of a bad sign that the U.S. take the assets and the interest from frozen assets from Russia. I think this is going to have an impact longer term on the market. So I'll report back as to some of the thoughts regarding that. Have a great weekend. Happy Father's Day for all fathers who are watching, and we'll talk on Monday. Thank you again. Goodbye.